Hello everyone, when I hear Italy I think of cars, pizza, tomatoes, Pistol Beretta 92, Nutella, Ferrero Company, Fila, Armani, beautiful woman, and knives with a very interesting style. I have to admit that Italians have a sense of style, and you can see that in their cars, architecture, fashion, generally in their real projects. Today I have a review of my Maserin model Nimrod. Total length is 22 and 2 centimeters, blade length is 9.5 centimeters, thickness is 3.2 millimeters, blade material is M390, which is an high-class Austrian stainless steel with a high rust resistance, and it remains sharp for a very long time. It is tempered to 60 HRC, so quite high, stone wash finish, full flat grind. On the one side of the blade you can see the logo of the company, Maserin, Italy stainless steel, and 390. On the other side you can see Nimrod, designed by Thomas Turmitri. Oblong hole facilitates opening the knife. The handle is made of green micarta, but you can also find it in carbon fiber, black G10 or desert micarta. Thanks to its form, the knife fits perfectly in a hand. Stainless steel pocket clip without any motifs hold the knife securely. Hole for cord, back lock, glass breaker. You can assemble it with the help of a small wrench, which is included. In summary, it's a bigger folding knife, convenient, great to work with it due to its perfect cutting properties, with a really interesting style. Very high quality of the make. The knife works very smoothly, impeccably. It's been washed repeatedly and shows no rust. After unfolding, it becomes a monolith. Lock holds securely, surely, no blade play. You can feel that you've got a fixed blade in your hand. No doubt, it's one of the best knives I have ever had, and I have a lot of them. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.